showcase concert, right? And we've had this tradition for a long time. I think we did from about 2010, I would imagine, and the idea was that we were trying to sort of to feature younger players, that were up and coming, and because I think a lot of the people, especially people who came from abroad to the Pinu originally, right, were amazed to find out the standard of playing with younger players, because we'd say abroad in particular, it tends to be adults that are coming in, that are being drawn into traditional music, so when they come here and see kids that are growing up in the tradition, and the standards that they come to, So this year we have two people. We actually started off with just one showcase, and then other years we've had three. This year we have two. Okay, so first up this year we have Kieran Fitzgerald, right? Kieran is 20. Right, which in my book is very, very young. And he's living in Kildare, right? But he's very much of a southwestern origin because his mother's from Cork and his father's from Kerry. And that's sort of very influenced by his, I think his influences in music, And it's interesting actually because I asked him who were his main influences, So he said Connell. He said Tommy Fitzharris, Orla McAuliffe, he said Louise Mulcahy, and in fact these are all people that have featured largely in Communal Flute over the years, So I like to think that Communal Flute has been something to do with the making of them, and in fact I just checked there, right, and the Communal Flute started in 2006, right, and the next year was 2008, right, and he's been here every year since 2008. So he's almost part of the furniture. We rare him. So without further ado, put your hands together for Kieran.
Nearly like family, like looking at all the people here, Eilish and Josie and Dagmar, Norman and young Mark, Tommy and AD and everyone else. I couldn't go through all the names and I'd be here all night, but it was great kind of coming down here every year and meeting up with all the crew and having a few tunes, and there's nerve-wracking enough getting up when you're in the session with 40 others you can hide a bit maybe, but I'm exposed enough here anyway. Anyway, so we'll give it a go and see what happens. I'll start off with a couple of reels. The first is The Palm Tree, and I got that actually from my sister. My sister Anya, she's doing the leading search at the moment, so she couldn't make it down for the weekend. She's usually here, but I don't know where Anya got the tune anyway, but I heard her playing it and then I kind of stole it. So I'll start with that, then I'll go into Mayor Harrison's Fedora, and I'll finish then with one of my own compositions. I started composing a few tunes recently, and I named this one just after my own hometown, both in Kildare. There'd never been a tune written for Selfridge, so just called it Selfridge Region. So. I made a sip of water for a